So in this activity, Fishin' for a Name, you're going to go ahead and click on Fish Name Activity to take you to the website that you're going to use. And you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to see here that there's basically a pond with different species in it. And you're going to click here to begin. And what you're going to do is kind of venture your way through for every fish and discover what species it is and learn some biology about the species. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you an example of one. So I'm just going to go ahead and select number 5. You guys can start in any order. Everything's listed in the table. And I clicked on number 5. So now it says click on the fish to begin. Use the identification terms to the right to help you select a box. Continue making choices based on the drawing and the decision boxes and the identification terms. And then when you have correctly identified the fish, a blue arrow will appear. And so here we have a fish. I don't know what kind of fish this is, but what I am going to do is I'm going to find out. And I'm going to find out through a series of steps. And so this is going to help us identify it. This is what scientists do. They use what we call a dichotomous key. Di meaning two. So you basically are given two choices and you select the choice that best matches the fish. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and it says, are there barbels on the chin, barbels, or no barbels? And basically, those are like little whiskers, like what catfish have. So this one does not have them on its chin. So I'm going to click that. The caudal fin is the tail fin. Is it forked or is it not forked? So here we have what a forked caudal fin looks like, and this one is a squared, and this one is rounded. This one definitely looks like it's forked, okay? So the fin is forked. And then if we look at the body shape, is it compressed or is the body shape not compressed? And so the body shape is not compressed, okay? So that means that it doesn't look like a sunfish, like the one that's shown up there. It's just a regular fish shape. And then the other options, again, this dichotomous key, the black line from nose to tail, is there one or is there no black line? There is no black line. So Ferguson says you have correctly identified the inland silver side. Click the arrow to the right to continue. So it'll tell you here with this little pop-up window that you've correctly identified the fish, and you hit OK. And so this blue arrow, when it says blue arrow will appear if you've correctly identified it, then you'll click that to continue. And what that will do is it'll take you to a fish identification and information page. The information that you can get from here is what you're going to use to fill in this chart. Okay, so that fish that I just identified was definitely not this first one. What number was it? I think it was number 5. So the information that I get from this page will go to this page on this row. Okay, and that's it.